you get on the other side.
Goldboat's going to have an inside turn advantage here, so when you get ahead in the gold, make sure that you drop that rate if necessary. Coxswains, let's head towards the green channel marker. Let's not cut the corner so that we can get some more meters in. So no open water between you and that other boat, Alice. You got to bring the rate down if you get any open water. Let's keep the green channel marker on your port side, Coxswain, so we get more meters out of this. Green channel marker port side.